A recent conference held by Reuters gave Chrysler CEO Christine Feuell an opportunity to update the public on the brand's future plans, and she said that the next car Chrysler produces will arrive in 2025 as a two-row electric crossover. In addition, she reiterated what design boss Ralph Gilles said earlier this year, confirming that the airflow concept will inspire the new arrival's styling. The concept has been subtly revised on a few occasions since its first appearance in 2020 and will likely face more small design updates before it enters production, but Feuell confirmed that the STLA Large architecture will continue to be the platform of choice for this new arrival. She also shared tidbits of information on two other products. Feuell said she expects the Pacifica hybrid minivan to continue on the market through the end of the decade. After that, we'll likely get an electric version, but that surely depends on how far along EV adoption is by that point, and we can certainly see the hybridized Pacifica continuing for even longer if demand for fully electric vehicles has not grown considerably. In more interesting news, Feuell said that Chrysler is still considering how big to make its next new sedan. Reports have long been circling that the next 300 will be electric, and some have even claimed that a speculative preview of such a car has already been shown to dealers. Feuell promised we'll see a concept version of this new four-door early next year but would not reveal anything further. Instead, she took the opportunity to announce that Chrysler is testing a digital, customer experience website that will allow customers to configure, order, and schedule delivery for new vehicles. This new approach from Stellantis aims to make Chrysler similar to startups, meaning it should offer a whole new buying and after-sales experience. Chrysler will need this to be effective quickly, as Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares said in 2021 that brands like Alfa Romeo and Chrysler would get a window of 1 decade to prove their worth. Hopefully, a new crossover and a new sedan will be the building blocks for a successful comeback.